There's something special about a motorcycle that doesn't just take you places, but makes you want to go. A motorcycle that responds like an old friend, invites you to explore, and rewards every twist of the throttle with confidence and connection. In 2026, Honda rekindles that feeling with a bike that blends simplicity, capability, and pure riding joy into one unforgettable package. The Honda XL185. This isn't a machine built to impress from a spec sheet or dazzle with digital gimmicks. No, the XL185 is a bike built to ride, to connect, to remind you what it felt like the first time you slipped your boots over a seat and realized this is freedom. From the moment you approach the XL185, there's a sense of purpose. There's no overloaded styling or confusing panels. Instead, you see clean, purposeful lines, balanced proportions, a tall front fender that hints at dirt roads, gravel paths, and trails just beyond the pavement. It doesn't scream for attention. It invites exploration. Slide onto the seat and the intuitive design reveals itself. The seat height feels confident but not intimidating. Your feet find the ground with assurance, and the bike feels light. Surprisingly light. Beneath you, the handlebars rest naturally in your hands, the posture feels upright and ready, and there's a subtle moment where you realize this machine was designed around you, not the other way around. Start the engine and listen. That smooth, unfiltered single-cylinder tone isn't loud, but it feels alive. It doesn't shout. It communicates. It's a sound that tells you, this bike is ready. Are you? The 185 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine isn't about raw horsepower. It's about usable power. Torque that comes in where you need it most. Low-end pull for city traffic, mid-range strength for open roads, enough top-end roll for cruising without stress. It's balanced, predictable, and it doesn't tug or jerk at you. Instead, it offers a smooth, friendly connection between rider and road that feels honest and intuitive. The transmission complements this beautifully. The 6-speed gearbox shifts with crisp precision. Not too light, not too heavy. Just enough that every gear change feels purposeful. Down in the lower gears, the bike crawls with confidence. In the higher gears, it settles into a relaxed cruising rhythm. The clutch engages without surprise, allowing new riders to learn without fear and experienced riders to control with finesse. In city traffic, the XL185 shines. It's agile in narrow lanes, responsive in stops and starts, and light enough that navigating urban congestion feels calm rather than stressful. Parking becomes effortless. U-turns feel natural. Low-speed balance feels reassuring. This bike doesn't wrestle you. It guides you. When the road opens up, the XL185 reveals another layer of its character. The engine hums steadily. There's no rush, no frantic chasing of speed, just smooth motion. A rhythm that feels natural. Lean into a sweeping curve, and the bike responds predictably. It doesn't fight. It doesn't resist. It flows. Small corrections feel intuitive. Confidence grows with each bend you conquer. This bike doesn't encourage aggression. It encourages rhythm, balance, connection. But the moment you leave the pavement edge is when the true spirit of the XL185 becomes undeniable. Loose gravel, dirt tracks, uneven surfaces. These aren't obstacles. They're invitations. The suspension absorbs imperfections with calm precision. The chassis remains composed. Standing on the pegs feels natural. You shift your weight. And the bike mirrors your intention. This is not a fragile machine. It's a capable companion. This is where real exploration begins. Comfort plays a bigger role than people expect. The seat provides support without stiffness. The upright posture reduces strain on wrists and lower back. Even after longer rides, you don't feel exhausted. You feel invigorated. There's a physical ease to riding this bike that keeps you focused on the moment, the terrain, the ride itself. And speaking of long rides, the XL185 sips fuel. It doesn't gulp it. It doesn't demand constant attention to the tank gauge. It allows you to ride further, explore more, and take detours you didn't plan. Fuel stops become less frequent. Freedom becomes more immediate. You stop thinking about logistics and start thinking about possibilities. Let's be honest. Not all dual sport bikes are this practical. Some are engineered for headlines rather than real-world use. The XL185 is engineered for life, for every day, for adventure. And maintenance? Honda makes that simple too. Accessibility to components is straightforward. Routine tasks like oil changes, chain adjustments, valve checks, and brake inspections remain intuitive. There's no need for excessive disassembly, no layers of electronics to navigate, just a motorcycle that's easy to understand and even easier to maintain. That's a big deal for riders who want reliability without complications. Technology on the XL185 is purposeful, not overbearing. A clear digital display gives essential information: speed, fuel level, gear position, trip data, without distraction. No endless menus, no confusing systems. Just the basics you actually need to stay in tune with your ride. Braking performance is smooth and confident. The system doesn't grab aggressively, nor does it feel soft. It's progressive. A balanced bite that instills trust whether you're slowing on pavement or gravel. And that's exactly the feeling this bike inspires. Trust, from the engine to the suspension, from the chassis to the ergonomics, everything about the XL185 feels coherent, calibrated, and human-centered. What truly sets the 2026 Honda XL185 apart is how it scales with the rider. For new riders, it builds confidence. For returning riders, it reconnects joy. For experienced riders, it refines technique. This bike doesn't intimidate. It educates. It doesn't overwhelm. It engages. It doesn't disconnect you from the ride. It connects you to it. Imagine this scenario. It's early morning. You slide into your riding gear and walk out to the XL185. The sky is just beginning to glow. You fire up the engine. The surroundings are quiet, but your heart isn't. You roll out of the driveway and into your day. Traffic flows. You filter with ease. The city fades behind you. The road opens up. Gravel appears on the horizon. You slow down just enough to appreciate what's ahead. And as you twist the throttle, the bike doesn't just move you forward, it pulls you in. The sensation is not about power. It's about rhythm. It's about control without stress. It's about being present in every moment, on every surface, at every kilometer. This is riding as it was meant to feel. And here's the twist that surprises most riders. The XL185 doesn't try to be multiple bikes. It simply does what it needs to do, exceptionally well. It doesn't need massive horsepower to feel exciting. It doesn't need flashy electronics to feel capable. It doesn't need aggressive looks to be taken seriously. It wins by being honest, reliable, and rewarding. A machine that feels alive under your hands and responsive to your intentions. That's not something many motorcycles can claim, but the 2026 Honda XL185 does. So who is this bike really for? It's for the rider who wants a dependable all-around machine. It's for the commuter who wants joy in every ride. It's for the weekend explorer who loves gravel, dirt roads, and trails. It's for the urban rider who still craves adventure. It's for beginners who want confidence without intimidation. It's for seasoned riders looking for a fun, agile second bike. In other words, it's for everyone who values the ride more than the hype, the road more than the numbers, and the experience more than the specs. That's the mark of a truly remarkable motorcycle. As the day comes to an end, you park the XL185 and take a moment to reflect. You didn't just go someplace, you experienced it. You didn't just ride. You connected with the motion, the machine, and the moment. Most motorcycles take you forward. The 2026 Honda XL185 takes you further. Deeper into the ride, deeper into the experience, and deeper into your own skill and confidence. This bike doesn't demand attention, it earns it. This is not just a motorcycle, this is a partner in every kilometer, a teacher in every turn, and a reminder of why we ride in the first place. And the biggest surprise of all, you don't just arrive at your destination. You remember every ride on the way there. Disclaimer. Some specifications, performance details, and interpretations in this script are generated or assisted by AI based on historical Honda models, general motorcycle design trends, and expected industry direction. They may not reflect final official specifications released by Honda.